Yeah, we out camping right now. You did, you know what I'm saying? In the spot. There's hella people outside. They ain't bringing no tent. Everybody supposed to bring a tent. Those niggas ain't bringing no tent. We're the only ones brought a tent. You know what I mean? We out here, bro. We chilling.
We are chilling, boy.
Feel me?
We got toilet over there.
Well, we got a bathroom back here. Toilet and sink. Food, hella food, waters, guns. We straight.
With your beer.
Get over that.
You see what's going on outside, but we straight.
Killing. Oh, you so funny, girl. I love it. Get over that.
Yeah, you still got a little bit more in here.
And we got our tents outside. I go sleep at. This is our little chill tent right here. You feel me? This our little chill spot.
Where the umbrella at? Right over there?
But I sleep in tents outside. They ain't on the ground, they off the ground, bro. You know what I'm saying? We ready, we prepared. Grill jumping still. Look. They still kicking it through over there, look.
We're playing volleyball in the rain.
Right. They like, shoot, everybody stop us.
I'll be back out when it stop.
Right.
Gone.
Get out.